Radio Funtime. We're making jokes on the radio. Big Fun Radio Funtime. If you want funny radio, this is the place to go. We're making jokes from far away as Bemidji and other places that rhyme with Bemidji.
Nothing rhymes with Bemidji, Tim.
I know, I looked it up. Big Fun Radio Funtime. If you want funny radio, this is the place to go.
You know, that's a lot of words you put in there, Tim.
Well, you know what, Jeffrey? If you're going to do a lot of words, radio is the perfect place to put them.
Yeah, I did hear that radio is the perfect medium for talking.
Huh. Okay.
That's all you got?
That's all I got.
You know, someone once told me I had a face that was made for radio.
Ah! That joke's older than I am. Big Fun Radio Funtime. We're making jokes on the radio. Big Fun Radio Funtime. If you want funny radio, this is the place to go. If you want funny radio, this is the place to go.